Welcome everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this class, we are gonna continue reading and writing some simple Arabic words. Let's get started. The first letter that I'm gonna write, which is th, th, th. Okay, we have learned this letter in the previous class, but anyway, when we write th separated, it's like this, and then we add 3 dots on the top. The sound of this letter, it is like TH in English. In the word thank you, okay? But anyway, let's now focus on the sound th. When I add this mark on the top, it is like letter A in English. So now I have th. Again, if I remove this mark, so I just have the sound th. Okay. The second letter is b. It has the same shape like this, but I will add just 1 dot here. The sound of this letter is b, like letter B in English. When I add this mark, it is b. Th. And finally, I have this letter. It is it has the sound of letter T in English. So I have here th, b, t. Let's connect them to make one word. So now I have th. Th in the beginning of the word, it looks like this. Okay, so I'm not gonna add this part here. It's like just like this. Ba in the middle of the word. I'm gonna add a small line like this, and then I'm gonna write this part, which is like this, and then like this. This is the shape of ba in the middle of the word. Let's add this. Ba. And I forgot that one here too. So I have now th, ba. Read with me. Thaba. It's a word, okay? Imagine this is a word, just has 2 letters. Thaba, 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 thaba. And finally, let's add ta. Ta in the end of the word. I will add this line here, and then I will write the letter like this. Ta. Read with me. th, thaba, thaba, thabata, 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 thabata. Th in the beginning of the word, ba in the middle of the word, ta in the end of the word. Let's write another word. Farada. Th. It's the same one. Th. It has this sound. Th. So easy one. So this one sounds like R. Ra. And finally have de. It sounds like letter D. De. Okay. So I have th, ra, de. Th, ra, de. Let's connect them. Th in the beginning of the word, it looks like this. Okay. Th. Ra in the middle. I have to add this line like this, and then I will write the letter. And don't forget this mark on the top, fatha. It sounds like A. Ra, thara. Okay, now let's add da. I'm not gonna connect ra to da. Okay, so I'm gonna just write da separated like this. Why? Da. Because ra doesn't get connected from the left side. We call it a refusal letter, and da the same is a refusal letter as well. So now we have th, ra, thara, tharada. Don't forget, refusal letters are the letters that just get connected from the right side. ثرد, ثرد, ثرد. But why da is not connected from the right side? Because the previous letter is a refusal letter and that one does not get connected from the left side. ثرد, 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 ثرد. Let's write another one. ن ث را ن ن ن ن ن ن ra. Let's connect them. Ne in the beginning of the word. It's like this. Ne. Th in the middle of the word. Th. Ne, th, nethe, nethe. So, ne is not a refusal letter. Why? Because, as you see here, it got connected to the from the left side, right? Nethe, nethe. And ra as well, it is not a refusal letter. Why? Because now I'm going to connect it to ra, like this. Ne, nethe, nethe, نثرا 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 بعث ب ب Oh my god, this letter is different. I'm going to make a special class about this letter, okay? The sound of this letter doesn't exist in English. ب ع ث th. Okay, let's connect them. ب in the beginning of the word. ب. And now pay attention. We are gonna make this line, and then I'm gonna do this and this and this. So now this is in the middle of the word. باع 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 th in the end of the word. باع باع بعث 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 بعث. Okay, let's find another word. جلس جلس ج ج ج ج ج ج ج ج like J j j j j j j j like L لا لا جل جل س س like S se. Let's connect them. J in the beginning of the word. J la is like this. Jala. And finally we have sa. I'm gonna add this line and then I will write sa like this. ج جلا جلا جلس 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 سجد سجد س س س س س س ج ج ج ج ج ج ج ج ج ج ج ج ج ج ج سج 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 د د د د د د د د د د د د د د س ج د. Let's connect them. س in the beginning of the word. س س س س. ج ج in the middle of the word. ج ج ج ج. سج 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 د د in the end of the word. س ج د س ج د س ج د س ج د. س out of the word, j out of the word, د out of the word. س ج د in the word. سجد سجد. So guys, that's for today and see you in another class. Thank you for watching.